Hey, how you doing everyone? My name is Dario from mediaboxentlab, and today we have another cool scooter, but this one is fast. This one can go up to 20 miles an hour. Let's begin now. So today we have, like I said before, this is a little faster scooter, about 90 miles an hour, 31 kilometers. Now, one single charge takes only a few hours. It can go again, almost like 20 miles, one single charge, 30 kilometers. So it has more power, more battery. 3SP, we can control from here what they call the medium, fast, and super fast. And super fast will be the 33 kilometers. Now, from here we can turn out the light and the light from the front and the light nice from the back. Now here they will show you in miles, so show you top miles, 19 miles per hour, and also they show you the battery level. Comes with a nice bell to hold the phone, and easy to take apart. The only thing you have to do is just pull this label down and then bring this down right over here, lock it in right here like this, and now you can take it. This one is a little heavy because it has more battery and it will last longer. Now, about the tires, these inflatable tires, the benefit for that compared to the other scooters is a little bit of maybe suspension. You're not going to feel the gravel as much or the pave. That way it's a little more soft, right, compared to the tires. They are solid tires. Now the way to start the scooter is pretty simple. It requires a little push. Just push yourself up and then that's it. It's like a safety. So if it's not moving at all, it will not start. See, if I press this, it will not stop. Nice brakes, by the way. The brakes was real good. That's it, guys. I mean, it's a fun scooter, and I guess what I like is powerful. All right, so for more information on this cool scooter, I will leave it right below this video. See you next time. Bye.